If you've ever wanted to create a voice that feels dark, eerie, and cinematic, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to sound like Ghostface using ElevenLabs. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to design a voice, save it, and use it in your own generations. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI voice guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into ElevenLabs with your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on the Voices. This is where ElevenLabs lets you manage existing voices and create brand new ones. From there, click Create Voice. You should now see the option for voice design, which is the feature we're going to use to generate a custom voice from a prompt. Now comes the fun part. In the prompt box, type a description that matches the kind of voice you want to create. For a Ghostface-style voice, you want something that feels creepy, low, and suspenseful. You can try prompts like deep haunting voice with a calm and mysterious tone, or dark thriller narrator with a slow, whisper-like delivery, or even eerie masked villain with a low, unsettling voice. The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated voice variations will match the style you're aiming for. After entering your prompt, generate the voice variations and preview them one by one. Listen carefully for tone, pacing, and atmosphere. You want a voice that feels chilling without becoming too robotic or too exaggerated. When you hear one you like, click Select Voice to lock in that version. Next, you'll need to give the voice a name. In the name field, enter Ghostface so it's easy to recognize later. Then fill in the value and any other details ElevenLabs asks for. These details help organize the voice inside your account, especially if you plan to create multiple voices for different projects. Once everything looks good, click Save Voice. Now your custom Ghostface style voice is ready to use. If you want to use it in a generation, go to the right panel where the voice dropdown is located. Click the dropdown, find Ghostface, and select it. From there, you can type your script and generate audio using the voice you just created. A quick tip here. If the first result doesn't sound exactly how you imagined, go back and adjust the prompt slightly. Small changes like adding words such as whispery, menacing, cinematic, or masked can completely change the mood of the output. That's why testing a few variations is the best way to get a voice that really fits your project. And that's it. You've now learned how to sound like Ghostface using ElevenLabs by creating a custom voice, previewing the variations, saving it, and selecting it for your next generation. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI voice tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.